its theme or the composition as you go with these characters. So it's trying to get you to see a little bit of it as you're putting that together. So taking a look, as you can hopefully see now, that the beginning, or at least that egg section starting off, and then this gestural part of this character with these two circular pieces. And I'll just start off the beginning here with you and trying to see where they're connected. So if this is the two overlapping or kind of connecting circles here, using this in-between line just to get it started, and then going back and locating the center line for both structures there, one coming out a little bit further. Again, this is the idea of the nose being brought out further, extended onto this character. And then this has the center line for the mouth and the cheeks. So if you can imagine that telescoping itself out, makes it much easier to add. And then the bridge of the nose is just extended almost as a concave section connecting the face and the cheeks on either side. With the eyes, same idea. Kind of hopefully fitting into there. This wrapping again, if you can even see another circle touching the tops of the eyes, this structure almost becoming like a flat plane that has the warpness of the squash and stretch, building that piece up there. So when you get that inside of it, kind of have a circular shape within it. And another one in here, so it gives you that build up there. So I'm just putting the eyes in there, but you can always change them for your characters, echoing that eyebrow around the top. And you'll see this same shape up here for the furrow of the eyebrow is the same that's in the nose. So you can kind of see how that's connected, building that piece together. And we'll just finish constructing this. Here's the circular part for the attachment of the ear. Other side you can't see, but if you drew through this hidden part of it, you can see it. And again, same idea with there's the gestural line, or line of action as they'll call it, building it up. Even if it's just a thin piece that shows this fold, okay, then you're just exaggerating the shape, putting circular pieces there. And this sometimes has like a center line that shows the arch of this piece like that. So it gives you plenty of room to grow it out there. And then on the other side, doing the same thing, different. There's the one line. Even if you just do two lines parallel to each other, it builds that shape up really quickly. And it curves this piece in. So just kind of getting it started for you, and then I'll come off. But the ridges again, here's the pieces, they overlap, building that shape up, and here's where it becomes a little flatter, kind of cascading in there, echoing that ridge. And again, if you keep the highlight just to get it started. And then here's this whole roundness of this character coming down. And now coming down to the whole mouth. Here's the center line, the angle of the nose, a little bit of a highlight. Even if you make it a nice rectangular shape, it'll cross contour the object line and help you build that piece up. This part, circular, right next to it in perspective. Circular, here's the center line for it. This becomes the mouth, and then again the jaw hinging down, coming around. Put a circle in there just to help you get the nice arch for it. And built that section up here, just going to round that off there. And then coming down to the lip, just echoing that shape, just offset it a little bit. Kind of has a center line there, shows a little bit of the lip in there. And that's just kind of a good way to begin it right from the start. So I'll pop off there so you can get to illustrate that. Maybe.